This 2021 Honda Passport is brought to you by Twins, Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Honda is powered by EU all-wheel drive, automatic transmission, regular unleaded V6 3.5 L200 engine, and has 50 to 967 miles. Adventure awaits. Drive home a rugged 2021 Honda Passport, reliable, spacious, and ready for exploration. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.